Raven. Ranger. Oh, it's Christmas stocking time. Ready? Go! He's lost interest. I know, boy. Just get on in there, boy. Get on in there. She's like, I can figure this out. You need some help? No. Don't open it that way. Okay. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Eat that stocking. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, she's opening that right up. What is it, Raven? Oh, yeah. Cookies! Come here, buddy. Oh, look at it. It's a biscotti. Go on. You gonna go outside? He's going outside. He's a cookie. Oh, jeez. One more? One more before you get sick? Chocolate chip. This is supposed for the dogs, right? These look like real cookies. Smell like real cookies. Don't take my finger. Ah! Shot. Let's go see where Ranger is. Under the tree, eating his biscotti. I see you. Merry Christmas. No.